Hi Ruchi.
Hello ma'am.
How are you?
I'm so good.
So good?
Yes.
Yeah. So what's the plan for today? क्या कर रहे हो आज आप लोग?
Ma'am, we are playing basketball.
Okay.
And I love playing basketball.
Okay.
See, first of all, obviously because if anyone comes to school, there is that one hope that एक proxy period लग जाए और हम games में चले जाएं.
हाँ.
So that's what I do whenever we go to games. We have a group of almost all the girls. They like to play basketball. So we usually come here. Then we are divided into teams. Then we start the play. So pass थोड़े से कम मिलते हैं मुझे because I'm not that good at basketball yet. But
Okay.
that's the hope. I want to learn.
Yes.
Because
Correct.
it's a good sport, it's fun.
It's
and
fun.
if I get to play anything, that's a dream come true.
Correct.
So most of the time I try to be in the defensive
Okay.
because अभी attacking के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा game आना चाहिए. You
बिल्कुल.
should know all the rules, you should know how to pass on and everything. But defensive I can do because I can
Correct.
pass to other players. I also have sometimes trouble remembering my own team.
Okay.
Which person I have to pass. So I'm just like, who is it?
Okay.
So I'm still learning the ropes, but hopefully soon, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll know what to play. So best day ever when we get a games period. So like, thank God, आज तो हो गया. Now next set is this teacher. Maybe he will take us to games if we perform well.
Okay.
So that's the thing. Game is a great motivator.
Yes.
Because we are like, if we perform well, we can be like, we performed well. So we deserve something.
Yes.
Maybe one games period we can go out and play. So that. Whenever there is a games period actually allotted according to the period, that day we are more exhilarated. You will see 100% attendance.
Correct.
Other days students are absent, but when there is a games period,
There is
they're
a
like,
games
आज
period.
games में जाना है तो yeah we came.
Okay.
So
Fine.
that time the excitement is very high.
So the student ratio is full when it's it's a sport.
Yes,
basically.
ma'am. Basically.
Fine. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Everything is fine. So tell me something about your school or your interest. ठीक है, something about the best thing you like to play in sport or anything like as per
In sports, our school provides many facilities and many games, but especially I like basketball the most. We have at most 2 periods in a week, and I love to play basketball. Our whole team unites, and we all, with boys and girls, we make a team and play matches. We enjoy very much, and we have the coaches also. We have coaches for different sports like football and basketball, and now more sports are coming gradually. And in basketball, we learn about the qualities of teamwork, coordination, and many other qualities. And our whole class is very good at different sports. But in basketball, we have different spirit, and we love the most.
Fine. Very good. Hi Sonia.
Hello ma'am.
How are you?
I'm pretty good.
You're good? Fine. So Ruchi is having a very great experience with the school, with basketball, with everything like. So what's about you? What about you?
Even I feel the very same, I guess, about all the facilities we have, such as basketball period, and football as well. I guess we are going to have it soon.
You like to play football?
I
Wow,
love to play.
Amazing. Amazing.
We have pretty similar interests. So basketball, football, books, movies.
Books, movies, actually.
Okay,
Study.
fine.
Then we like SST together,
SST,
English
actually.
together.
Okay.
Yeah, so very similar interests.
Very similar. Fine. So what is the best thing about anyone, like if you want to say the best thing about sport or about the school, about any teacher, about your management, about anyone like?
There's nothing to complain about any of these things because all are just absolutely perfect.
Okay.
So I don't think I could find any problem in any of these. The management is superb. The sports teachers, the types of games we play, the types of activities we do, that's just outstanding. So I don't find any difficulty.
Wow. Very nice. So any experience if you want to share, like anything you want to share on your own, like आपको जो बेस्ट वेज में कोई एक्सपीरियंस अपना शेयर करना हो कि हमें यहाँ पर आना अच्छा लगता है, क्यों लगता है?
I find it very interesting and like I love coming to school. Unlike some don't like coming to school, studies and other things. But about me, my personal experience, the friends I have, they are just
Amazing.
amazing. That's true. She's one of my best friends.
Okay.
All are my best friends. So the teachers are amazing. They interact with us. They share their personal stories, their success stories, their hardships, so that we get encouraged with all those. And yes, the management, they also help us in different kind of things, various types of things. So I'll just love coming to school.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you.
So as you told that our school provided us career counseling,
So they taught us that we can approach many things when we are graduated from class 12. We can approach CA, anything we want to become. And the first thing I like in my school is swimming pool. The school is providing us the best coach of the state so that we can make a good team and win trophy for the school.
हमारे स्कूल में मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज़ लगती है कि जो हमारे जो मैनेजमेंट है और जो डायरेक्टर सर हैं वो हमें एनकरेज करते हैं, यानी कि हमें बताते हैं या फिर हमें कहते हैं कि हमें क्या अच्छा लगता है, वो हमसे पूछते हैं और फिर करते हैं। सर ने हमें कहा कि अगर तुम्हें जो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है वो हमें बताओ, हम तुम्हारे लिए वो अवेलेबल कराएंगे। तो सर की यही बात मुझे सबसे अच्छी लगती है।
Hi, today we are representing our school, Gurukulam, the school, and sharing our views about it. Now, there are so many facilities provided in our school, जैसे कि स्विमिंग पूल है, ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटीज़ है, हॉस्टल है, कंप्यूटर लैब्स है, सारी सेपरेट लैब्स है।
और मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस जो बताऊंगी गुरुकुलम स्कूल में, वो मेरा सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि मैं अभी तक जिन भी स्कूलों में पढ़ी हूँ, एक जो भी स्कूल है उनमें एकेडमिक, स्पोर्ट्स, उनमें इतनी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं थी जो हमारे स्कूल में है। एंड जो मेरा फ्रेंड्स के साथ मेरा कॉम्बिनेशन, टीचर्स सभी फ्रेंडली हैं और मुझे अच्छे टीचर्स, स्कूल और मेरे को फ्रेंड्स भी बहुत अच्छे मिले। और जो लॉकडाउन टाइम था उसमें जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हुई थी उनमें टीचर्स ने बहुत अच्छे पढ़ाया, और जो फीस नहीं पे कर पाए थे उन्हें कंसेशन भी बहुत दिया था। मैं जो पुरानी हूँ, मैं जानती हूँ स्कूल के बारे में। हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ स्पोर्ट्स, एक्स्ट्रा कल्चरल एक्टिविटी पे भी ध्यान देते हैं। हाँ, हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ भी होती हैं, स्पोर्ट्स भी होते हैं, एकेडमिक्स में भी है, ऑल फैसिलिटीज़ आर।
मैंने कहीं जगह देखा है कि टीचर अपने बच्चों के साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं करते, लेकिन हमारे टीचर बहुत कोऑपरेटिव हैं।
हाँ, they are like our second parents.
Our school is also like our second home. Hello everyone, I am Ria from Gurukulam this school, and today we all are playing Kho-Kho here with our friends, and we are enjoying the Kho-Kho. On every sports day we play Kho-Kho and took gold medal. We are playing with our classmates, with our youngers and olders. I like Kho-Kho.
मेरा नाम सपना है, मैं 12th कॉमर्स की स्टूडेंट हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पढ़े हुए 9 साल हो गए हैं। और यहाँ पे सारी टीचर्स बहुत अच्छी हैं, हेल्पिंग हैं और हर चीज़ में मदद करती हैं, और फ्रेंड्स गर्ल्स भी हैं और बॉयज़ भी हैं, सारी हेल्प करते हैं।
Myself Dolly, and I've been studying in this school since 2012. I've just completed my 9 years here, and I just want to say, especially the thing that I love most about my school is definitely the teachers. Like, they are very friendly, very loving and very supportive. They have been very supportive from the first day when I got admission in this school, and the school has been glorifying a very healthy environment. Like, even if we are like suffering from any problem or we have any issue with anyone, we just go with teachers and we just discuss with them, and they always come out to help us. I think this is something really best thing about our school.
Myself Kashvi, I'm representing Gurukulam the school. Each and every facilities is provided to everyone, and the most loving thing is that every teacher cooperate with everyone, as she said. And I just want to say East or West, Gurukulam is the best.
And I also want to say about the sports activities. Like, our school is not like other school. Like, it is not only promoting the education here, but is also developing the personality in a person that is required in the future. Like, it is providing us the cultural activities, the sports activities, the fun activities also. Like, our school has been providing really good trips and tours. Like, our school has been to Amritsar, Jaisalmer, and they have been to many places. I think it is also very required for our children, because we cannot study all day completely also. So we require a lot of fun. So our teachers are also humorous. Like, they sometimes just crack jokes with us. So it is actually very friendly.
आई एम अवंतिका और मैं इस स्कूल में M3 क्लास से पढ़ रही हूँ। और इस स्कूल में मेरे को सबसे अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, और यहाँ पे एजुकेशन क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है, और यहाँ पे जो मैनेजमेंट है वो हमारी बातें सुनती भी है और उस पर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी करती है।
My name is Asha, and I have been studying in this school since 2015. And the thing I love about this school is that कि teachers यहाँ पे काफ़ी friendly हैं, and they teach in a way that students get everything in such a good manner.
माय नेम इज जतिन, मैं गुरुकुलम द स्कूल हॉस्टल में रहता हूँ। यहाँ पर की फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत ही बढ़िया है। यहाँ पर हर टीचर अपने बच्चों की तरह रखती है और हर छुट्टी वाले दिन हमें पढ़ाने के लिए भी आते हैं। यहाँ की फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत, ग्राउंड की फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत बढ़िया है। यहाँ पर एक स्विमिंग पूल भी है जहाँ पर हम हर संडे स्विमिंग भी करते हैं। बस सर्दी की वजह से अभी वो चल नहीं रही है, पर और बास्केटबॉल ग्राउंड भी है। यहाँ पर कोच हमें कोचिंग देने के लिए भी आते हैं। यहाँ से हमें प्रमोट किया जाता है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए भी।
माय नेम इज़ करण, मैं यूपी से यहाँ पे इतनी दूर पढ़ने आ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को ये हॉस्टल बहुत अच्छा लगा और यहाँ पे टीचर्स भी सभी अच्छे हैं और यहाँ पे सारे टीचर्स हमको संडे को पढ़ाने भी आते हैं और हम बाहर भी घूमने जाते हैं कभी कभी। यहाँ पे बाहर कभी मेला भी लगता है। यहाँ पे किंडर जॉय फन टाउन भी है और वो हॉस्टल में हम सभी भाईचारे की तरह रहते हैं और हम सारे स्कूल यहाँ पे स्कूल से आ जाते हैं जल्दी। वहाँ पे जाते ही हमारा रेस्ट टाइम होता है और फिर शाम को हम प्ले ग्राउंड में जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमें एक कोच बास्केटबॉल सिखाता है।
Good afternoon, I am Monu Yadav, a student of Gurukulam the school. I feel proud to be a student of Gurukulam the school. The infrastructure is awesome. The teachers are very frank with us. They teach us in a very good manner. They are very well trained and the infrastructure of the school is fabulous in Rewari. Thank you.
यहाँ के जो टीचर्स हैं उनकी ये क्वालिटी मुझे अच्छी लगी कि वो बच्चों को डिमोटिवेट नहीं करते। आगे अगर उनके नंबर वाइज कम भी आते हैं या कोई गलती भी हो जाती है तो उनको माफ़ी मिल जाती है, आगे उनको बढ़ने का मोटिवेशन मिल भी जाता है।
मेरा नाम कुणाल है और मैं 12th क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ कॉमर्स में और इस स्कूल में मेरे को लगभग 10 साल हो चुके हैं। वैसे तो 10 साल में स्कूल में काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस आए और एक्सपीरियंस भी मेरा काफ़ी डिफरेंट रहा, पर जो सबसे बड़ी स्कूल की एडवांटेज है वो है टीचर्स। यहाँ पे टीचर्स काफ़ी अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं। जूनियर का तो मैं कुछ कहूँगा नहीं, पर सीनियर टीचर्स काफ़ी अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं यहाँ पे।
हेलो, मेरा नाम गौरव सैनी है और मैं पिछले 2 सालों से यहाँ पे पढ़ रहा हूँ। मेरा यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है। पिछले 2 साल हमने यहाँ एंजॉय भी किया है, पढ़ाई भी की है और जो बाकी दोस्त हैं मेरे वो भी काफ़ी सपोर्टिव हैं, टीचर्स भी सपोर्टिव हैं।
So my favorite thing about the school is the library because I was around 11 when I started reading books, and the best thing was that there is no library in our whole city. Even I don't think there is much of a library in Rewari, but there is a library in the school and there are plenty of books there. Like obviously there are syllabus books there, but there are also like small kids children's books. There are big novels like Little Women and Harry Potter and those kinds of books. So I was so happy that I got so many books here, and then I've read almost half of those books, so I'm really happy that there are books which I can read if I run out of books at home. And so yeah, I love that our school is a school which has a library. Thank you.
मेरा नाम साक्षी है। ये स्कूल बहुत अच्छा है। मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कंप्यूटर है। मेरे टीचर भी फेवरेट है, सभी टीचर अच्छे हैं। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ है, स्टडी बहुत अच्छी होती है। यहाँ पे स्विमिंग भी है, स्केटिंग भी है और भी बहुत चीज़ें हैं।
I have been in this school since my childhood and it's been a very nice environment here, and all the teachers are very comfortable with us and we are also very comfortable with our teachers. They are so supporting, and as I have been here in this school since my childhood, so I have many of my memories. Like in the nursery classes, Santosh ma'am was there with me and she used to teach me for many years. And it was a great experience.
So now when it comes to me, like I have not been a part of a school from its starting, but I have joined after some years it has started, and I feel like this is not a school, this is an environment where our children or a student or any person who comes here can be free to express their views, because I feel like I was very hesitated and I was very a shy kid when I came to the school, but after meeting all the teachers, all the students here, I feel like, oh yes, I am also there in the school and I can speak whatever I like. So I have been just here for only 3 to 4 years and I've created many memories, and I am like, yeah, this is a school and it is Gurukulam Da school and it is very different from every other school, and I'm really pleasured to be here.